Hey everyone, welcome back. If you suspect Instagram server or connection problems, first test your internet connection by opening another app or website. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue improves. Then restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi and then turn airplane mode on briefly. Then wait for a few while and then turn it off. Then swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for Instagram app and then swipe it away. Wait for a few while and then reopen it. After reopening it, disable any VPN or proxy services temporarily as they may interfere with the connection. If the issue continues across different networks, it may be temporary Instagram server change. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again later. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.